Hello everyone, this is Saifullah Ali. I'm back with a new video on Ansible. So I'm going to my virtual machine. This is the same virtual machine I used to have in my Open Daylight video tutorial. It's been long since I had my last video tutorial. And now I'm back with my new set of video tutorial on Ansible. You may already know what is Ansible, so I'm not going further describing what it is. In brief, it's IT automation tool. For a network engineer, it's very useful. They can have different modules uh, for iOS, for Juniper, or even they can create their own modules to interact with their switches or routers and make the system more automated. In this video, I will only demonstrate how to quickly install Ansible and start using it. On my next videos, eventually I will show how to create a playbook and maybe how to make your own modules. So let's go to the terminal. So this is my Ubuntu terminal. To install the Ansible, I'm going to put a command sudo apt-get install Ansible. So this is pretty easy, straightforward command to install the Ansible in your system. Yes, we can see it has been installed. So if I just put AN and press tab, so you see it's coming up with Ansible. So that means it's already been installed. Now we want to go to the files, Ansible module files, to see what kind of modules and files are there. For that, let's go to cd user, then lib python 2.7, and then we have distribution packages, and here we see there is Ansible. So here's the Ansible files. We can see we have different modules over here. So they are divided into two separate part. One is core. In core part, you can see we have cloud files, inventory, source control, command, database, network, and all the other modules. Let's go to the network. So it's pretty much basic networking modules are over here. We can also go to the extras. So we also have lots of modules over here as well. Let's go to the network modules, and here you can see we have OpenSwitch underscore port.py, which is a module, and LLDP, DNS simple, lots of other modules as well. We can use Ansible doc -s, let's say nmcli, and we can have some informations over there. We also have a command module over here, expect command module. Let's go back to the core modules. We also have a command module in under core module as well, and this is just the command.py. So we will eventually come across how we can use these modules in the later videos. Let's go to my root directory now. Let's say for the developers who want to develop Ansible or who want to clone other repository from the Ansible, or let's say for other users, they can use Git to clone the repository to their local computer. For that, let's say I have my own repository in GitHub. So let's go back. What I'm going to do is just cloning my development repository from GitHub. Just putting this command and it will clone my repository to my local PC. So those who you want to develop your own modules from the developer's perspective, you should clone it to your local PC. And you can see I already have Ansible development directory over here, which has been cloned. Here you can see the modules are over here. CD modules. Sorry. Here command and expect. So this is actually a core module, and expect is an extra module. Similarly, you can go to the network directory. You can see there are so many modules over here. Let's say Junos. They also have developed so many modules for Juniper. Let's go back, and let's say you want to go to iOS, and yes, the Cisco devices also have this kind of some modules over here. You can also see like Dell, F5. Lots of vendors have developed their own modules for Ansible. So you can develop your own module over here as well, and then push to Git. You can request them for a pull request, and then if they are approved, you can also see your own module in Ansible as well. So let's go back. So this is for today, and in next video I will try to demonstrate how to use a playbook and execute some ad hoc command. Thank you.